Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am either using one of my old recipes or I'm trying a new one. So feel free to sit back and enjoy this video. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making delicious taco soup, y'all. Yes, just in time for this cool weather here in Texas or wherever you may be. And here are our ingredients. Showing y'all here, I have doubled my ingredients, but if you don't want as much as I'm making, you can always go by the recipe I have provided. I'm taking this large pot to a Christmas dinner at our church. Okay, let's get to cooking. Here I'm browning up our ground beef. Make sure to keep browning it until you no longer see any pink. Okay, this is what we're looking for. And now I'm going to drain our ground beef. Since our ground beef has been drained, now it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. Here we're adding in our whole kernel corn. I am doubling our recipe, so everything I'm adding double, but you don't have to do that if you don't want as much. Diced green chilies, our diced tomatoes with chilies. I prefer using the Rotel, but I didn't have them at this time. Now my other can. Now we're mixing in our ingredients that we have added so far. Here we're adding our ranch style beans. I am adding a 1 pound can of them since I'm making a large pot of taco soup. Letting you know, do not drain any of these cans of vegetables except for the corn. Now we're adding a large can of pinto beans. Like I say, or you can use chili beans. I couldn't find them at the store that I was shopping at, but you can find those at Walmart. I'm using a 1 pound can of pinto beans. Okay, now we're adding in our taco seasoning mix, trying to get it open. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna use 3 packages of this taco seasoning to give it a more bold flavor. Okay, this is our last package. Now it's time to add in our Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. Y'all, this makes the taco soup taste so delicious. And we're adding 2 packs of this. If you haven't already tried this taco soup, you must give it a try. This will be one of your go-to recipes, especially during these chilly days or whenever you may want it. Okay, here we're mixing all our ingredients together. Just mix it as well as you can. In this recipe, I decided to use the ground chili meat, but you can use the ground beef, just regular ground beef, and it will be just as good. So this is something I wanted to give a try, was to use the ground chili meat, and it was good. But make this recipe yours. Okay, I have mixed it in as well as I can. Next, we're going to add in our water. And if you want to, you can add beef broth if you prefer. I didn't have any beef broth at the time, but like I say, make this recipe yours. You can always adjust these recipes and make them yours. Like if you like a more spicier taste, you can add like cayenne peppers. You can add like the sliced jalapenos. Just use those fresh jalapenos in there. Like I say, you can always adjust these recipes. I just give you, the startup, okay? Okay, here I have just added in our water, and I'm just mixing it, the best I can. And we're gonna let this simmer for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. It's all up to you. Make sure to let this simmer really slow. Don't try to rush it, because sometimes it will burn at the bottom. Just simmer it slowly, because the more it simmers, the better it tastes. Remember, time to time, go back and stir it up to make sure it's not cooking too fast. So that's what I do. I just time to time, maybe every 3 minutes, and just go through there and just make sure everything is cooking evenly. What I like about this soup, it is very easy to make. It's simple, and it tastes so good. You can always jazz it up after you finish cooking it. If you want to serve it with sour cream and cheese. I have another recipe that I made, this taco soup. It was my very first time making it. And I just had to give it a try. And my grandkids just love it. And so if you have never tried it, go ahead and give it a try. And let me know how you would like it. And the thing about it, you can also serve it with cornbread muffins, crackers. You can even use Dorito chips, tortilla chips, Just serve it with whatever you prefer. Okay, y'all, I am all done. I'm sorry I didn't get to show y'all a bowl of my taco soup, but it was so good. And I hope y'all try this recipe. And I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. Okay, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!